Weakness becomes strength when you identify the problem and find a solution. In today's episode, we will discuss 6 things that make you weak with solutions. Let the Soulmighty podcast begin. Point 1. Greed or fear. These two things stay at the core of our being. Sometimes the greed of having more makes you restless, and other times the fear of losing what you already have gives you feelings of weakness. But you can live a better life by staying undisturbed from fear and greed. Let go of the past, make your present better, and your future will be full of happiness. Point 2. Strong attachment. Loving and getting involved with people and things are good. Thinking about the memories is also great, but staying attached to something in your mind can become a big problem. It stops you from living your present fully. Here is a simple solution. You cannot get attached in the present. Attachment only exists in your thoughts. So, you can say that attachment is an imaginary cassette playing in the recorder of thoughts. It doesn't exist in reality. Remind yourself of this truth again and again, and you will break free from attachment. Point 3. Lack of awareness. Imagine a car being driven without a driver. You don't know where it will take you. Only a driver knows how to use the car efficiently. Just like that, your mind may take you here and there and make you do a lot of things, good and bad things. It's your awareness that decides what to take and what to reject. Awareness is the only secret to use the powers of your mind. Be aware of what you think, say, or do. Slowly, your awareness will start to grow, and that's what you need to change from weak to strong. Point 4. Self-doubt. You never get a chance to explore your true potential if you have a long list of doubts about yourself. It's time to cut that doubt into pieces. Doubt only comes when you are confused about something. But when you know you can do it or it is possible, confusion will vanish and confidence will become your new strength. What makes you feel weak when you are a human being that can do anything with proper learning? What stops you from success when you can take those small steps for growth? It's your own false beliefs about yourself that acts as a roadblock. Point 5. Negative loop. Whatever your own thoughts and emotions you have, sometimes they turn negative, and that's what make you feel uneasy or worried. The more you focus on the negative side of the road, the stronger the loop of negativity becomes in your life. That's the harsh truth that all of us face. And that's the trap making you feel weak. Again, as you become aware of the thoughts arising in your mind, you can decide whether to continue giving attention to it or not. In other words, you have the power to know what's important and what's not. You have a choice to jump out of the negative loop and walk the path of love, purpose, fun, excitement, and all the qualities you deserve in life. This is the roadmap to regaining your strength. Point 6. Impulsive act. Finally, if you act in a hurry, impulsively, without being sure of what you are doing, you may land yourself into trouble. That's the side effect of taking action without awareness. What's the solution? Choose your actions as consciously as you can. Don't lose your power of choosing. As you stay present while taking action, your chances of making a wise move increases. Of course, mistakes will happen. Of course, you cannot be perfect. But at least You should have the power of choosing what to do and how to live. That's the secret to strength. Thank you guys. I hope you found this episode helpful. We have a self-improvement playlist for you, link in the iCard. Also, share this with your friends and relatives for a positive listening experience. Let life shine bright. Thank you.